In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change between dark and light mode in Notion on your desktop. Whether you prefer a minimalist light mode for daytime or a more focus-friendly dark mode for working at night, I'm here to guide you through this easy process step by step. Let's get started, shall we? First things first, you'll want to head over to your Notion workspace. You can do this by opening your browser and navigating to Notion's website. Once you're there, you'll see a few options. Look for the Login button. If you're not already logged into your account, go ahead and click that button. This will prompt you to enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Notion home. From here, direct your attention to the sidebar. This is where you'll find all the important settings for your Notion experience. We're interested in the settings for today, so go ahead and click on Settings. You might notice this opens up a new menu with various categories. Keep your eyes peeled for the option labeled Appearance. Click on that, and you'll be presented with a few options regarding how your Notion interface looks. Now here's where the real customization happens. You should see options to adjust the appearance settings to your liking. Click on Use System Setting if you want. Notion to automatically switch between dark and light modes according to your system preferences. This option is particularly handy if you've set your operating system to toggle themes automatically at certain times of the day. However, if you prefer to manually set your theme regardless of your system setting, we can do that too. You'll see two other distinct choices: dark and light. By selecting dark, you engage a sleek, modern interface that's gentle on the eyes at night. Alternatively, selecting light fills your workspace with a bright, clean view that's perfect for a well-lit environment. Switching between these modes is effortless, allowing you the flexibility to tailor your workspace to your needs and mood. Just remember, any changes you make will be instantaneous and ready for you to use immediately. And that's it. You've now successfully customized your Notion workspace, enhancing your productivity and comfort. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to revisit any steps if you need some reminders or simply wish to change it again. Until next time, enjoy your personalized Notion experience.